Yo guys, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get free Spotify Premium in 2025. So go to the website hexmods.com, and once you're there guys, just go to the search bar and type in Spotify because you're going to see a ton of apps on the site. So as you can see guys, it says Spotify Premium Mod. So just go ahead and press this download button and it's going to start downloading the Spotify Premium Mod, right? So let's just wait for it to download here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the next step. So this will work iOS devices and Android devices. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. This is going to work on both. So I pressed the download button. This is a very slow website guys. So let's see if it works. So I'm just going to wait and let this load. And as you can see, it finally started downloading. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So there's one more step to get your free Spotify Premium mod, so that's what I want to show you guys right now. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, it says mod installer, please complete 2 of the apps, and it keeps our server safe. So you need to download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. They're all from the App Store and they're completely free. So as you can see, TikTok's like down install room for 30 seconds, Swagbucks install open, complete 2 games. Doesn't matter, just press tap to install and it's going to redirect to the App Store. Now I guess that one does not work, but anyway guys, none of these are working. That's weird. So let's just here we go. So as you can see, this fetch rewards one brings you to the App Store. You download the app, you're good to go. So let's try this Dice Dreams. I don't know why this one, yeah, there you go. So as you can see, it takes you to the App Store, you download the app, and you're all set guys. So you need to make sure though that when you do this, you read the instructions. Dice Dream says down install complete Kingdom level 6. So if you just download the app and don't do anything, it is not going to work. TikTok says down install room for 30 seconds. So I don't know why TikTok one didn't work, but that's weird. Anyway, whatever. It's probably not going to show the same apps as me. So just do whatever you see. And you can see it says complete 2 more offers to continue. So you need to make sure you do 2 of them, and then you will get the free Spotify Premium guys, the mod.